Start with the name of Allah. In this video, we are going to discuss about logical operators. There are three types of logical operators. The first is AND, the second is OR, and the third is NOT. If the both conditions are true, then AND will execute, and OR mean if the two of condition and if we are given two condition and one of them is true, then OR will execute. And if the given condition is not true, then not will execute. For AND, we take example that if there is no raining outside and the temperature is less than 20, then you can go outside, and else you cannot go outside. If the temperature is greater than 20, there is no raining but temperature is greater than 20, then you cannot go outside. For first, we declare bool is raining, and the second and for temperature. There we will give a condition that if is raining is equal to false and temperature is less than 20, then you can go outside. Else and like if is raining is equal to false, that there is no raining but temperature is greater than 20. It means you can't go outside. And if is raining is equal to true and temperature is less than 20. Here we can see that there is no raining and temperature is less than 20, then you can go outside. Otherwise, there is no raining but temperature is greater than 20, then you will not go outside. And there is temperature less than 20 but there is a raining. It means here both conditions are true. There one condition is true but other condition is false. And there one condition is true but the second is false. To run this program, we can see that, and if we run the program, there you can see that you can go outside because temperature is less than 20 and there is no raining. But if is raining but temperature is less than 20, temperature is less, what condition is true, that temperature is less than 20 but there is a raining, and one condition is false, that you can't go outside. And if there is no raining outside but temperature is greater than 20, then there also you cannot go outside. That was about that, and in the next video we will discuss about our